Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about Philodendron Brasil care. The Philodendron Brasil is a cultivator of the popular heartleaf philodendron and is just as easy to care for. Characterized by dark green heart-shaped leaves with splashes of variegation in shades of lime green, the Philodendron hederaceum Brasil gained its common name due to its resemblance to the Brazilian flag. Philodendron Brasil can survive in a range of lighting conditions but will show its variegation best in bright indirect light. Low light conditions will cause the variegation to begin reverting and may result in leggy growth. You should also avoid exposing your Philodendron Brasil to prolonged period of direct sunlight as it can burn the leaves. A loamy, well-draining soil mix that is slightly acidic is ideal for Philodendron Brasil. Mix leaf soil and pellet. It is a special soil for houseplants but doesn't have enough pellet. I mix it. Allow the top 2 or 3 inches of soil to dry out between watering and then water well. Philodendron Brasil are sensitive to overwatering and should never be left in soggy soil for extended periods of time. Native to tropical rainforests of South America, Philodendron Brasil grow best in warm, humid conditions. That being said, they do well growing indoors in typical household temperature and humidity levels, although providing your Brasil with extra humidity will encourage larger and more vigorous growth. These philodendrons are not cold tolerant and should never be left in temperature below 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Philodendron Brasil is a variegated plant. For maintaining variegation, you shouldn't use fertilizer that have high nitrogen because nitrogen makes plant green. You have to use high potassium fertilizer about every 2 or 3 weeks. Fertilizer is a food supplement for plants, so it doesn't matter if you use it every week. But pay attention, irrigate Philodendron Brasil between fertilization for avoiding soil salinity. Under the right conditions, Philodendron Brasil are fast growers and may require some pruning in order to keep their size manageable indoors. Pruning also helps to encourage fuller growth and larger leaves. Philodendron Brasil propagation is very easy, but have some tips that you have to pay attention to them. I decided to propagate this plant in other videos, so if you like to know how to propagate Philodendron Brasil, subscribe me. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you for subscribing me. Have a great time. Bye.